So square of a number whose end with 5. Simply here 15 into 15. 5 5 is 25. Here for one we add 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1, 2. Next 25 square. 25 into 25. 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 2 6 6 25. 35 into 35. 1 2 2 5. 3 plus 1 4. 4 3 is 12. 25. In this way, to find square of any number, 45 into 45. 5 5 is 25. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 4 is 20. 55 into 55. 5 5 is 25. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 5 is 30, and so on. So anyone have any doubt? You ask the chat box. Next, multiple. So here square of a number who start with 5. Now 50 into 50. 0 into 0, 0. 0 0. 5 5 is 25. 51 into 51. 1 into 1. 1 that means you write 0 1. 5 5 is 25 plus any one of these ones we add. 5 5 is 25 plus 1. 26. 52 into 52. 2 2 is 4. 4 means you write 2 digits 0 4. 5 5 is 25 plus any one of these two we add. 25 plus 2, 27. 53 into 53. 3 3 is 9. 0 9. 5 5 is 25 plus 3, 28. 54 into 54. 4 4 is 16. 5 5 is 25 plus 4, 29. 55 into 55. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25 plus 5, 30. 56 into 56. 6 6 is 36. 5 5 is 25 plus 6, 31. 57 into 57. 7 7 is 49. 5 5 is 25 plus 7, 32. 58 into 58. 8 8 is 64. 5 5 is 25 plus 8, 33. 59 into 59. 9 9 is 81. 5 5 is 25 plus 9. 34. So in this way, find square of a number whose end with 5, start with 5. So anyone have any doubt, you ask through chat box. Next, multiplication of two two-digit numbers. Multiplication of two two-digit numbers. (25) into 34. How to multiply these two numbers? Now here you see 5 4 is 20. Cross multiply and add. 2 4 is 8. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 8, 23. Plus 2, 25. 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 50. The multiplication of these two numbers. 45 into 67. First multiply these two numbers. 5 7 is 35. Cross multiply and add. 4 7 is 28. Plus 5 6 is 30. 4 7 are 28 plus 30. 28 plus 30, 58. 58 plus 3, 61. 4 6 are 24 plus 6, 30. 91 into 89. 9 1 are 9. Cross multiply and add. 9 9 are 81. Plus 8 1 are 8. 81 plus 8, 89. 9 8 is 72 plus 8, 80. 8099. 95 into 23. 5 3 are 15. Cross multiply and add it. 9 3 is 27. 5 2 is 10. 27 plus 10, 37 plus 1, 38. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Any doubt in this one? Multiplication of any two-digit numbers. Any doubt in this one? So any students have any doubt? We ask through chat box. So everyone understood all these things. So in previous class already we calculated square of a number. Now square root of a number. How to find square root of a number? Square root of a number. So already everyone knows how to find square of a number. Now here how to find a square root of a number. So what is the value of 1 square? 1. 2 square? 4. 3 square? 9. 4 square? 16. 5 square? 25. 6 square? 36. 7 square? 49. 8 square? 64. 9 square? 81. Now, here clearly observe that in this 1 square, last digit is how much? 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 6. 5 square, 5. 6 square, 6. 7 square, 9. 8 square, 4. 9 square. Any doubt in this one? Once again we reserve. 1 square value is 1. 2 square value is 4. 3 square value is 9. 4 square value is 16. 5 square value is 25. 6 square value is 36. 7 square value is 49. 8 square value is 64. 9 square value is 81. In this 1 square, last digit value is 1. 2 square, 4. 3 square, 9. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 5. 4 square, 6. 5 square, 5. 6 square, 6. 7 square, 9. 8 square, 4. 9 square. Now here you observe that here for 1 and 9, the last digit is 1. For 4 and 8, last digit is 4. For 2 and 8. For 3 and 7, last digit is 9. For 4 and 6, last digit is 6. So for 5 only, last digit is 5. So now here we observe that clearly. Whenever we are going to find the square root of a number, the last digit 1 means either it will be 1 or 9. The last digit is 4 means either 2 or 8. The last digit is 9 means either 3 or 7. The last digit 6 means either 4 or 6. The last digit 5 means 5. So clear? Anyone have any doubt? You ask to chat box. Once again, in this 1 square, the last digit is 1. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 6, 5 square 5. In 6 square last digit is 6, 7 square last digit is 9, 8 square last digit is 4, 9 square last digit is 1. Now here clearly observe that for 1 and 9 last digit is 1. For 2 and 4 last digit is 4. For 3 and 7 last digit is 9. For 4 and 6 last digit is 6. For 5 last digit is 5. That means here whenever we are going to find the square root of any number, so in that one the last digit 1 means either 1 or 9. The last digit 4 means either 2 or 8. The last digit 9 means either 3 or 7. The last digit 6 means either 4 or 6. Last digit 5 means 5. So up to this one clear? Anyone have any doubt? Now see some example. Square root of 441. Here last digit how much? 1. 1 means either 1 or 9. Last digit 1 means either 1 or 9. So remove last two digits. Remaining value is how much? 4. 4 nearest square is 2. 2 next value is 3. 2 3 is 6. Now you clearly here you see that here the last here last two digits remove. Remaining digit is 4. 4 nearest square is 2. 2 square is 4. So here already we get 2. Now you need to get either 1 or 9. Which one? So that's why here we multiply this 2 with the next digit value 3. 2 3 is a 6. Now compare this 4 with 6. 4 is 4 is lesser value than 6. So in this 1 and 9 lesser value is 1. So 21 is the answer. So 21 is the answer. Next, square root of 841. Here also last digit is 1. 1 means either 1 or 9. Remove last two digits. 8 nearest square. Nearest square is 2. We won't take more than this square value. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. But here we'll take lesser value, this 8. Lesser than this value is perfect square is 2 square 4. That means 2. 2 next digit value is 3. 2 3 is 6. So now compare this 8. 8 is more than 6. In this 1 and 9, more is 9. So 29 is the square root of this value. Square root of 1225. Last digit 5 means 5 means we get directly 5. 12 nearer square value 3, 35. 3 square value is 9. 4 square is 16. We'll take lesser than this 12. Lesser than 12 is 3 square 9. So 3. 35 is the square root of this value. Square root of 4096. Last digit 6 means either 4 or 6. Remove last two digits. Nearest square value 6 square 36. 6 into next digit value 7. 6 7 ja 42. This 40 is lesser than this 42. So in this 4 and 6, lesser value is 4. So any doubt in this one? Next one. Square root of 24649. Last digit 9 means 3 or 7. Remove last two digits. 246. 15 square is 225. 16 square is 256. So the here value is 246. 246 lesser value is 225. That means 15. 15 next digit is 16. 15 6 is 90. 15 1 is 15 plus 9, 24, 240. Now here compare 246 is more than 240. In this 3 and 4, 3 and 7, more value is 7. So 157 is the right answer. Next. Square root of 7569. Here also last digit is 9. 9 means either 3 or 7. Remove last two digits. 75 nearest square value. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. But here condition is lesser value than this 75. 75 lesser value is 8 square 64 8. 8 next digit value is 9. 8 9 ja 72. Now here this 75 is more than 72. So in this 3 and 7, 7 more value is 7. So 7 is the right answer. Next square root of 13456. $87 Nana, not 83. 87, 5M7. So 87. 7 square is 49. So 7 is 14, 14, 8, 112, 112, 116. 8 square 64 plus 11, 75. So 87 square is the right answer. 87 is the right answer, Nana. 83 is the wrong answer. The square root of 13456. Last digit 6 means either 4 or 6. Remove last two digits. 11 square is 121. 12 square is 144. So here 134. 134 lesser value and first square is 121. 121 means 11. 11 next digit is 12. 11 into 12, 132. So 134 is more than 132. More means in this 4 and 6, more value is 6. 116 is the right answer. B5, 116 is the right answer. 579. 116 is the correct answer. Very good, ma. Next one. Square root of 15625. Last digit 5 means directly we write 5. Remove last two digits. 156 nearest square value. 12 square is 144. 13 square is 169. Nearer values 12 square 144. This is the nearer value and lesser than this. So 12. 12 means 125. Any doubt in this finding square of any number? Next. Square root of 2304. Last digit 4 means 2 or 8. Remove last two digits. Here 4 square value is 16. 5 square value is 25. Lesser than this 23, lesser than this one is 16, 4. 4. Next digit is 5. 4, 5, 20. So now this 23 is more than 20. So in this 2 and 8, more value is 8. So write 8. Very good, ma. Some of the students give correct answer. Very good, ma. Next one. Square root of 546121. How to find square root of this one? Last digit 1 means either 1 or 9. Now 1 or 9. Now find 5461 nearer square value. So 5461 nearer square value means here find by using box method. 546121. Two digits, one part. Now here 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49. Now carry 5, 7 plus 7 14. 5 here 61 we take at a time. 14 4 is 56. 14 3 is 42. Multiply with 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 1 is 3 plus 4. Now we get the two digits is 7 3. So now 7 3 either 1 or 7 3 9. Now here how to find which one is correct, 731 or 739? Here we make the sum of the digits of this number. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 1 19. 19 means 1 plus 9 10. 10 means 1 plus 0 1. 1 square, 1 here, 1 square value is 1 or 1. So we get that sum of the digits value is 1. Now here also 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 means 1 plus 1 2, 2 square is 4 we get. So this is most probably this is wrong answer. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, 1 plus 9 10, 10 means 1 plus 0 1, 1 square value is 1. So this is the right answer. 739 is the square of that one. So in this way we find square of 5 digit number. Next. Next one is square root of 329 476. Here also last digit is 6. 6 means either 4 or 6. 4 or 6. Now here we see that last two digits. Actually here we find box method. 329 476. Two digits. 5 5 is 25. Near square value. Subtract 7 94. 5 5 is 10. 10 7 is 700. So 10. So 7 7 is 49. 7 1 is 7. We get here 57. 57 either 4 or 57 either 6. So which one is the correct means here to find sum of the digits of the number. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 9 14, 18, 25, 6 31. 31 means 3 plus 1 4. Sum of digits is 4. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 4 16. 16 means 1 plus 6 7. 7 into 7 49. 49 means 4 plus 9 13 we get here. 13 means 1 plus 3 4 here we get. Most probably this one is the right answer. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 6 18. 1 plus 8 9. 9 square 81. 8 plus 1 9 here we get. But we need 4 sum of digits value. So 574 is the right answer. So two students give correct answer. 12B5 and another student. Very good. Any doubt? Any doubt? to find the square of any number. Any doubt in this one? Anyone have any doubt? We ask to chat box. Next, multiplication with 12. How to multiply any number with 12? Now, suppose 8 into 12, you can easily say that this value is 96. How to get this 96 in shortcut way? 8 into 12. Here also follow the same rule which you followed in multiplication with 11. So write left of this number, we write 0. In 12, last digit is 2. 2 8 yeah, 16. 1 carry. So now 0. 2 into 0, 0. Plus right side value 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. 634 into 12. Left of this number, we place 1 0. 2 is the last digit. 2 4 ja 8. 2 3 ja 6. 2 6 ja no, not like this. 2 4 ja 8. 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus right side value 4 10. 2 6 ja 12. 12 plus right side value 3 13. So 15. 15 plus 1 16. 2 into 0 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 6 7. 7 6 0 8. 98762 into 12. First to place left of this number, we place 0. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus right side value 2. 12 plus 2 14. 2 7 are 14. 14 plus 6 20. 20 plus 1 21. 2 8 are 16 plus 7 23 plus 2 25. 2 9 are 18. 18 plus 8 26 plus 2 28. 2 into 0 0 plus right side value 9 9 9 plus 2 11. So this is the multiplication with 12. Anyone have any doubt? Next, multiplication with 13. Two 93 into 13. You also follow the same rule. Left of the number, we place 1 0. Multiply the last digit of this 13. Last digit is 3. 3 3 like 3 is 9. 3 9 is 27 plus right side value 3 30. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus right side value 9. 15. 15 plus 3 18. 3 into 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 2 3 8 0 9. 468 into 13. Left of this number, we place 1 0. 3 8 ja 24. 3 6 ja 18. 18 plus 2 20 plus right side value 8 28. 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 6 20. 3 into 0 0. 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 4 6. In this way, multiply any number with 13. Multiplication with 14. 256 into 14. Left of this number plus 0. 4 6 ja 24. 4 5 ja 20. 20 plus right side value 6. 26 plus 2 28. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 5 15. 4 into 0 4 plus 1 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 5 8 4. In this way, multiply with 14. Next multiplication with 15. 293 into 15. Left of this number, replace 1 0. Last digit is 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 9 is 45 plus 1 46 plus 3 49. 5 2 is 10 plus 4 14 plus 9 23. 5 into 0 0 plus 2 2 2 plus 2 4. 4 3 9 5. Next multiplication with 16. So some of the students give correct answer. Very good. 235 into 16. Left of this number, plus 0. 6 5 ja 30. 6 3 ja 18. 18 plus 3 21 plus right side value 5 26. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14 plus right side value 3 17. 6 into 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 2. Multiplication with 17. Multiplication with 17. So place 0 left of this number. 7 3 is 21. 7 6 is 42 plus 2 44 plus 3 47. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 4 32 plus 6 38. 7 into 0 0 plus 3 3 3 plus 4 7. 7 8 7 1. Next multiplication with 18. 962 into 18. Left of this number, we place 0. 8 2 is 16. 8 6 is 48 plus 1 45. 49 plus 2 51. 8 9 is 72 plus 5 77 plus 6 83. 8 into 0 0 plus 8 8 8 plus 9 17. 17 316. So very good, ma'am. Next multiplication with 19. 865 into 19. Left of this number, replace 1 0. 9 5 is 45. 9 6 is 54 plus 4 58 plus 5 63. 9 8 is 72 plus 6 78 plus 6 84. 9 into 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. So in this way, find multiplication with 19. 16, 4, 3, 5. Very good, mark. So any doubt in this multiplication? So multiplication 12 to 19, we use the same shortcut method. Next, another important one. Multiplication of two numbers whose difference is 2. So multiplication of two numbers, two-digit numbers whose difference is. So how to find multiplication of these two numbers? 21 into 23. The difference is how much? 2. Middle value is how much? 22. 22 square, 484 minus 1, 483. 483, the multiplication of this one. Square minus 1. 33 into 35. So middle value is 34. 34 square. So 33 into 35, 34 square. So find 34 square value. 4 square is 16. 2 4 8, 8 3 24 plus 1, 25. 3 square 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 1156 minus 1, 1155. 42 into 44. 43 square minus 1, 43 square. 3 square 9, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 24. 4 square 16 plus 2 8. 1849 minus 1, 1848. In this way, you find the difference of two multiplication of difference of two numbers. 5m7, very good, ma. 579, very good, ma. Next, multiplication of two numbers. Two numbers whose difference is 4. 15 into 19. Middle value. Middle value means 4 means 4 by 2. 2. 2 added to small number. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 square minus 4. 17 square minus 2 square. 4. 289 plus minus 4. 285. 21 into 25. For small number we add 2. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 square minus 4. 529 minus 4, 525. Very good, ma. Next. 49 into 53. 51 square minus 4. 2601 minus 4. 259 98 97 97 2597 579. Very good, ma. 579 and 5m7. Next, multiplication of two numbers whose difference is 6. whose difference is 6. Fifteen into 21. Hmm. Now difference 4. Difference 6. Difference 6 means here 6 by 2 means we add 3. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 square minus 3 square is 9. 324 minus 9. 315. Very good mark. 579, 5 and 7. 43 into 49. 43 plus 3. We add 3. 46 square minus 9. Now find 46 square separately. 6 square 36, 3 carry, 6 to the 12, 12, 4 is 48. 48 plus 3, 51. 4 square 16 plus 5, 21. 2116 minus 9. 2107. Very good, ma'am. Next. Multiplication of two numbers. Whose difference is 8? Fourteen into 22. 8 means 8 by 4. 8 by 2, 4. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 square minus here. So here already previously subtract 3 square 9. Now here 4 square 16. 18 square 324 minus 16. 308. 32 into 40. 32 plus 4, 36 square minus 16. 36 square, 6 square 36, 12, 15. 6 to the 12, 12, 3 is 36. 36, 39. 3 square 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12, 9, 6. Minus 16. 1280. 5 and 7. Very good, ma. Next, multiplication of two numbers whose difference is 10. Now, here you see that 25 into 35. Middle value 30. 30 square minus 10 by 2 means 5. 25 square value is 25. 900 minus 25, 875. 5 and 7. Very good, ma. 32 into 42. 32 plus 5, 37 square minus 25. 37 square. 7 square 49. 7 to the 14. 14 3 the 42. 46. 3 square 9. 9 plus 4 13. 1369. Minus 25. 1344. So 5 and 7, very good ma. Next. Multiplication of two numbers whose difference is 1. Multiplication of two numbers whose difference is 1. Fifteen into 16. Simply, in this 15, 16, small value is 15. 15 square plus 15. 225 plus 15, 240. Twenty-three into 24. Small value square plus small value. 529 plus 23. 552. 5 and 7, very good ma. Next one. Multiplication of two numbers whose difference is 3. Whose difference is 3. 18 into 21. Small value square plus 3 into small value. This is the rule. Small value square plus 3 into small value. 18 square 324. 18 3 is 54. 8 7 378. 24 into 27. 24 square plus 3 into 24. 576 plus 3 4 is 12. 3 to 6 plus 1 7. 8 14 6 6 4 8. So in this way we find multiplication of any numbers with the differences. We stop here. In tomorrow's class we start cube and cube root values. Thanks to everyone. We stop here.